Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1957 Chevrolet 3124 Camino pickup. It's got a Napco 4-wheel drive conversion. And this truck is as nice as it could be. Probably the nicest one on the planet. Finished in teal with ivory. Fantastic color combination. Runs and drives like brand new. Very, very special truck. These are getting harder and harder to find, and I don't think you'll ever find one as nice as this. Paint, chrome, stainless, still sitting with the T3 headlights. Absolutely beautiful. Very, very special truck. Odometer showing 30 miles on this truck. We think it's all original paint and everything. Got about 200 photos on the main website too, WeBe Autos. You can check those out, all in high resolution. Look at the strikers. The weather stripping, the correct screws and everything. Just fantastic. Showing 30 miles. You can barely hear it, but it's running. If you're looking for the nicest Cameo on the planet, you found it. We're going to take you for a quick ride. tricky turning around here. Sorry, guys.
Looks great.
Beautiful. Brand new. Guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. And thanks a lot for joining us today.